It really saddens me that I even have to make this video, but I really must address some events that happened during the week. And it's my duty, and my duty to the YouTube community, to make people aware of the scam that is happening.
In this corner, Adrian Mateo drone. In this corner, g'day, mate.
You know, normally I can put up with the smell of all the bullshit, but no, not today.
And what we're dealing with is someone with intense frustration who will do anything to get interaction on his channel. Even the panel who sits with him has had a gutful.
The stream a thumbs up, I appreciate it.
Thanks for reminding me, Adrian. I just gave you a thumbs up.
Are we supposed to help you as well?
There he goes, self-promoting.
As most of you are aware, for a long time now, on my live show, we've been giving away what's known as the Matt Bump.
Let me give you a Matt Bump. And there you have it. One more Matt Bump for this show. My goodness, we're handing them out left, right, and centre here tonight.
This channel, on the other hand, is frequently giving away fake bumps, and they are called Mateo bumps.
It's Mateo bumps.
These bumps, they're dangerous. They're hazardous to your health, as can be attested here by JD and Steve Carpenter, who recently received a fake Mateo bump.
My eyes start watering immediately. Like
that just it just hurts me so much.
And it doesn't seem to matter what type of bump it is, the same results.
Adrian, are you going to do a front bump?
My eyes start watering immediately. Like
it just hurts me.
Or a rear bump?
My eyes start watering immediately. Like
it just hurts me.
And as shocking as that is, he is still misleading the new YouTubers, telling them that his Mateo bumps have some sort of health benefit.
That is an excellent source of fiber.
The amount of verbal violence that this host used to try to coerce his audience into his agenda is incredible.
I want to say I've got a few Matt bumps tonight myself.
Hey, wait a minute, Chris. Oh, don't call it no freaking Matt bump on my damn show.
I love Matt.
big fan.
Big fan.
Don't be saying that bullshit. It's Adrian Mateo Jones bump.
Whoopie-doo. Matt Cundiff agrees with me.
It's Adrian Mateo Jones bump.
Well, what Adrian's got to remember is who believed in him from the very beginning to give him the opportunity to come onto a live stream for the very first time and experience live stream greatness.
There you go. I've never done this before. How you doing, guys?
So, Adrian, how long have you been the biggest fan of my channel?
After a year and a half. Probably longer than that.
Big fan.
Big fan.
So he's gone from being very nice to me to acting like a petulant child with a new toy.
Look at you, kid. I'm talking. Let me finish.
Phones.
Shut up, man. Matt, be quiet.
He kisses your ass to get in your good graces. You lift him up to heights, dizzying heights, you know, that he's never seen.
No.
And this is what happens. I don't know.
This is what happens when they get too big for their boots, you know, thinking they're all that.
You're a really big fan.
If you want to do
Jealousy or what?
Jealousy and envy coming from your enemies.
that. It's pathetic.
The keyboard warrior.
He says some terrible stuff that he would never say to my face.
Piece of shit.
I mean, you know, people get jealous. It's okay. All the nice stuff I do, and this is what I get.
So, what do you do when your channel goes from this
Yeah!
to this?
Uh-oh. Hold on. I think I run out of gas.
You start to copy other people's formats in hopes that one day it'll make you just as big. But I'm not sure why he's so worried, because the content on his channel is riveting. I did ask a few people if they thought that Adrian's channel was actually worth subscribing to. I even asked Adrian at one point, why does he think that he's got so many subscribers himself?
Because the world is full of dumb people.
So, Adrian, what's the next video you're going to be releasing?
Bringing you another range test.
Uh-huh. What about the next one?
Bringing you another range test.
What about the one after that?
Bringing you another range test.
Oh, that's awesome. I can't wait for that. But don't forget to check out the live stream either. It's full of entertainment and personalities that keep you on the edge of your seat.
Yeah.
Not to mention the technical difficulties that Adrian has during his live shows.
Buffering, and all it did is kept on buffering.
He even finds his own live streams boring as batshit. And the Wish version of these Matt bumps that they're giving out.
That's how we do it. That's like
21 subs. Can he beat that?
That was a better bump than Matt.
All smoke and mirrors.
Really big fan.
Can I beat that, Al? 21?
Sorry, mate.
My channel just went up 35 subs. Thank you, man.
Oh, well, good on you, mate. Good on you, Justin. Oh, here you go, mate.
Outstanding, folks. Outstanding, folks in the chat.
I bet you
This,
would
this
be
is
both.
how we show support for people in our drone community.
What a novel idea. I mean, you haven't even got your own Mateo Bump clothing line.
I would like to thank Matt from Northeast Drone Productions for sending me his Mindset of Hugeness Matt Bump t-shirt.
I mean, it's all well and good to give out fake bumps to naive newcomers to YouTube, but when you can do something like this...
Oh, look at this. I've helped out Kelly. Mate, my pleasure, buddy. I mean, anytime.
Come and see me.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tap out.
Focus all towards Matt.